Hey guys, welcome to Master B online live show for digital printing. Master B is the first inventor to invent the movable printing technology at Sound Density in China. I'm the Master B. I'm the time traveler from Sound Density to South Society. And this is my assistant, Tina. So in this video, we teach you how to install and how to maintain and how to use in the machine from Focus AlphaJet. So when you get the machine from Focus, the first step is to check if the package of the machine is well or not. So you must be sure the wooden box is not broken when you get the machine the first time. So if the wooden box is broken, please contact with Focus support team to get the solution. So after you check the machine's safety and no damage when you get the machine, so then you can start to release your machine. First, please find the printing room, and the printing room must be first clean without any dust, and also the temperature is better to use the air conditioner. The working temperature must be between 18 to 25 degrees, and also the humidity must be between 50%, about 50%. So must be sure the working environment is good and suitable for digital printing. This is most important, because if there are too much dust at your room, it will affect the printing quality. And also the temperature is too high or too low also will affect the printing quality, because the ink viscosity is different as the temperature changing. So I have to be sure the room is prepared so you can start to release the machine on the desk or on lift. So also Focus will provide a lift shaft for hold the machine like this. But this desk is for optional choosing, optional purchasing. So if you not buy the desk, the lift legger from Focus, you can find a desk, but must be sure desk is strong enough. Be sure it's not shaking during printing, because if it's shaking, the quality will not good during printing. And must be strong and safety enough. Then put the machine at the desk. So this machine almost 230 kilograms, the heavy. So must be sure the safety. Safety is the most important for printing. Okay, then you put the machine at the desk or legger. After that, we can start to install the machine. So first, let me explain the spare parts and some materials you got from Focus. So when you get the machine from Focus, you will also get some spare parts and also some ink consumable from Focus. Maybe something you bought and something not bought. So let's explain to you one by one, okay? First, we will see from here, the box package like this. We get a box package like this. And inside, this is the user manual. The user manual from Focus. The user manual will show you exactly how to use the machine, how to install, and how to maintain. Look at this. And it's also carefully, it's also very clear with the picture and its description, and one step by one step, so to make sure you can use the machine very well. And also we go with one USB flash. The USB flash inside, we have some also user manual and installation video. The video I took right now, and also the software and some picture gallery to go with the USB delivery. So please do not lose it. It's very important for printing. It's for backup. Okay. And also you will got the RIP software from Focus. The RIP software, we have the bottom, the carton package, and inside there's the dongle key inside. This is the key. This is used for RIP software. So if you lost the key, you cannot use the RIP software. So this is also very important. This is the key. Don't lose it anymore. Don't lose it. It's very, very important. And also you can get spare parts like clean fabric to clean the printer head. This for cleaning the printer head. and also the syringe injection to pour the ink at the first time to load the ink using. And some transit tube for backup, the backup spare parts. This for used for cap station, used for maybe sometimes your tuber is broken, you can use the back to back up. This is just for backup. And also the ribbon tape. This ribbon tape is used for when you print on mugger to protect the varnish print head using. Later we'll teach you how to use it. And also the small transit tuber to connect from the print head, from the ink damper to the big ink tube is also for backup. And also the ink damper. The ink damper is for connect with the print head with the tubers. This also we will send you 2 pieces for free for backup. And also the ink damper transfer connections for 1 transfer to 2 and 1 big to 1 small hole tubes for connections. It's also for backup. And also the print head screw to lock print head. And also here, if you got if you bought the marker printing device palette or lottery printing device from Focus, we also got the installation ports from Focus. It's for go with this together for one suit. Later teach you how to install it. Okay, so you will also ink from Focus. So the ink, this machine Focus Alpha is used the UV curing ink. It's oil-based and safety. So the ink, we have totally 8 colors. Let me show you one by one. It's black and cyan, magenta, and yellow, light cyan, and light magenta, white, and varnish, hot varnish. And now this is the ink that you will got from Focus. The ink is very important because this print head we use, this printer we use Epson, we can use with Epson DX5, DX7, and Epson SP600, TX800, Epson 4, 720 models. So this machine is powerful, can suit for different kind of print head. So before you put the ink or you buy the ink from Focus, you must be sure the print head, what print head you used for this Alpha Jet. And also the ink is very important for printing quality. We strongly recommend to the customer that you buy the ink from Focus because all the ink we are tested before delivery, and also all the ink we are tested by engineers to be sure all the features are suitable for the machine printing. Because the ink quality as the ink color and density, white ink density, and also the pH level, viscosity, lots of features will be affect the printing quality. So not we buy the ink from the market and it is suitable to use for the machine. Now also, even the ink quality is good, we must adjust the software. We must adjust the printing wave to be sure the ink are suitable for the digital printing of our Focus Alpha Jet printing. So this is very important. So we strongly recommend the customer to be sure the ink and test and good quality and good working life to use it. Okay, so the ink and also the UV ink, UV curing ink, we provide 2 kind of different models. First, we call it like a hard. We call it by hard UV ink. The hard UV ink is for print on the hard materials, such as tire, glass, metal, the hard material, rugged material. And another kind is we call it by soft UV ink. The soft UV ink is used for printing on the soft materials like leather, like film. So the soft UV ink and hard UV ink cannot mix together. And the soft UV ink used for only the soft material, and the hard UV ink is used for the hard material, rugged material. So this is very important. Okay, because if you use the hard material, if you use the hard UV ink to print on the soft material, the anti-scratch quality will not good. And also, if you use the soft UV ink on hard material, and the bending quality will difference. Also, the color and ICC profile all are difference. Okay, so this is the ink that used for the alpha jet. Okay, so except the ink, you will also get some. Thank you. We also get some coating from focus. The coating, like before the coating, I want to explain to you the varnish. The varnish here we have we call it the hard varnish and the soft varnish, and also same as the ink, color ink. The varnish is also for digital printing. It's not for spray, it's for digital printing, to let the customer to get the spot color printing, spot varnish printing, like print the water, print the tears, and print crystal result effect. So the varnish also, we have two kind of different models. The first we call it hard varnish. Hard varnish is also used to print on hard materials like a tile, metal, glass, like this, the hard rugged materials. And the soft varnish is also used for print on the soft material, like leather, like film, like PP paper. So these two kind of different varnish is also for different using. So please remember, do not use the wrong ink, wrong varnish at wrong materials. Otherwise, we will not get good quality. Okay, so this is the varnish. Also, then you can get the coating from focus. Actually, some people will told you that we have the coating for all materials. So if anybody tell you that you will take you can buy one coating for all materials, I want to tell you that's bullshit. Because different materials, if you want to get good quality, must use a special different coating for different materials. For example, the metal coating. The metal coating is only used for the metal like aluminum and steels. So if you use it for other materials like glass, like wood, we will not get good printing quality, and also cannot get to the good anti-scratch result as the metal coating. So please remember, if you want to get the best quality, must use the special coating for special materials, not all-in-one coating. That's not working for digital printing. Okay, so we provide lots of different materials, different kind of coatings. Not right now, Focus-based provides metal coating and also the acrylic coating, acrylic for printing acrylic wood, acrylic board, acrylic materials like keychains. And also we also provide some other coating like a PP coating, TPU coating, and laser coating, wood coating, different coating, lots of coatings. So the coating, what kind of coating you need to buy, please it's better to ask the focus salesperson, marketing person to get the suitable coating for your printing. And also you need to prepare some other things before you to start the installation of your machine. First, you must prepare the mineral water, and it's better for this is 2 liters, and it's totally for 4 liters. That's enough. The 4 liters for what is used for? This is used for put on the water cooling tank, because this alpha-jet machine is high level, it's high quality, good quality machine, and you use the water circulation technology, not like a fine technology, fine cooling. The fine cooling system, what's the distance? What's the difference between the water cooling and the fine cooling? The water cooling circulation, water cooling will get the temperature lower and cooler quickly to protect the UV lamps. But if you use the fine cooling system, because the fine is working doing printing, the fine will have some ink sprayed, with the ink sprayed on the working fine of the fine system, so it make the noisy, and also the working life will be shorter. So we strongly recommend the customer to buy a machine with water circulation system, water cooling system. So this water is used for water cooling system. Later I teach you how to use it. And then also, if before you install a machine, we must prepare some tools. The tools you can buy from the, any market, any shop. It's easier. The screwdriver and knife and scissors. And a wrench. This is maybe sometimes used, sometimes not used. Actually, it's not using for this machine, but you can take it for backup. And also the glove to protect your finger, especially for the beautiful lady. Must protect your finger not damaged and not get dirty. Otherwise, your husband will not like you.